How to fix your Anbernic that is not turning on. Why is your Anbernic console not turning on? To start troubleshooting your Anbernic console, first ensure it is properly charged, as a dead battery is the most common reason for it not turning on. Plug the charger into a working outlet and let it charge for at least 30 minutes to rule out any power issues. Next, check the power button for any blockages or debris that may be preventing it from functioning correctly. Clean the power button and surrounding area with a soft cloth to remove any dust or dirt that may have accumulated. If your Anbernic console still does not turn on, try pressing and holding the power button for an extended period of time, usually around 10 to 15 seconds, to perform a hard reset. This will discharge any residual power and may help to resolve the issue. Additionally, check the charging port for any damage or corrosion. If you notice any signs of damage or wear, it may be necessary to replace the charging port or have it repaired by a professional. It is also possible that the issue lies with the firmware or software of your Anbernic console. Try connecting it to a computer and checking for any updates or reinstalling the firmware to resolve the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it is likely that there is a hardware problem with your Anbernic console and it may need to be repaired or replaced. In this case, it is recommended to contact the manufacturer or a professional repair service for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially fix the issue with your Anbernic console not turning on. Remember to always handle your console with care and follow proper maintenance procedures to prevent any future issues.